Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduced, we are from Group 4 Class IK2E. Previously, my name is Khansa Qonitah Rachmadhanti number 15.
My name is Daffa Abiyyu Iklil, number 5.
My name is Masdiana Syifa, number 20.
My name is Yanuar Cahya Pratama, number 26.
Next, we will present our project achievement. Here, we are creating a news portal website. As time goes by, the development of information technology is getting faster. Therefore, more and more new ideas emerge in the world of information technology. It cannot be denied that there are also many people who are involved in the world of information technology because, in terms of public life, there will be communication and information involved. For example, in news information, people who are thirsty for information, certainly news, need the media to be able to access the news they want. Information needs are increasingly easy to find, newer and anytime. Therefore, on that basis, that refers the creation of this news portal website. With a news portal website, people can easily access and get the latest news at any time. Based on this background, the idea was to create a website-based news portal. This news portal website was created using the PHP programming language and MySQL database. Based on the description above, the problem formulation in this are how to make this news portal web service easier and more convenient to use by all people, and then will the web portal make it easy for its users, and lastly, with this portal we said the public can easily access and get news quickly. So the limitation of the problem in writing in this is that this news portal website only provides news information.
In this source code, and this is a source code about CSS. This source code is used to design the web, and all the content in the CSS section is for design of the parts of the web. This is the code. And then in this part, this is a footer, and also there is a header. The header source code is for displaying sidebar. And next,
And then edit admin.php and here to edit admin in the website. Well, I'll explain about these codes. To call out the header, we can use include layout header.php and if session in here to admin login session to access news edit and ascon in here to keep all condition connected and as query MySQL query can select from admin where is in order for the variable ID to get a value as ID as get ID. And then create a form containing the admin name, username, password, and buttons. The password is different because if we enter the value into this password after entering the if is set course, it will change again because it will be encrypted twice. Therefore, in SQL admin, in order to save the admin set update is met. Next. And next, edit news.php, and here's to edit news in the website. Well, I'll explain about these codes. And as ID, get ID in here, so variable ID to capture news URL in database. And if the form data is saved, it will capture from first, and for updates to be done to time. The first is update the image and then update the news headlines. And next, in in edit category .php in here to edit category in the website. Well, I will explain about these codes. In the first, include layout slash header.php to call up the header, and admin login session for category edit access with if session login, and then as ID as gets to variable, so ID capture the new URL that will be edited in the database. The data will change when the save button is clicked in the codes if it's set as for simpan category. And as query MySQL query from update category to database to update category names. And as category MySQL query can select from categories to retrieves categorical data, which in the end will display the news category according to its ID. Then create a form containing a category name and buttons to capture change data. So if you click the save button, it will change according to what is inputted. And next, delete.admin.php and here's to delete admin in the website. And it's same with my explanation previously that query MySQL query can delete from category to database to remove admin. And next delete news.php to edit news in to delete news in the website and with database category and okay next and delete category.php in here so delete category in the website so query MySQL query con delete from category where id categories to database to delete categories and next
And this index.php used to get the value of a cell based on the search on the table with definition or data or our worksheet. And next, and then list admin.php to display the admin list on the web before login. Next, and then list news.php. In the news list section, we can see a list of the news on the website. Next, and this category in this code to display a list of category in the news and for example such as sports, hobbies and other. Login this code to display the login page an admin must login before access this web to adding a news. And in this code for logout after admin accessing the web.
And this big contact is for showing our contact. So if you visit our website and finding out maybe a problem, any problems, or need some work developing again, so you can contact us and find it in this pagecontact.php. Next. And this page about.php is for showing what is the history of making this website and what is our vision of making this website and what is the role of each member in our team in developing this website. Next. In this admin.php, we can add an admin in our list admin. So you can develop when we add admin, you can develop our website. Next is add news.php is for adding some news. Maybe there is another event like that's booming in this internet and or news. We can add it by opening this website page at news.php. Next. And this add category.php is to adding the category of the news. Like, I don't know, maybe sport or international, regional, and each other. Next. This CSS asset is for the design in our main website. So this CSS is developing our design and was developed by Daffa. So this website is for the design in main like page about us, page contact us, and our home. Next.
And this is the config section, which contain one is dbconnect.php, and this code is to connect to database, and also the function .libs.php is to convert date, month, and also year to the database. And also there is a search.php. This is for to find and display what news we are looking for in the search column.
This is the home.php or the index.php. When we open our website or visit our website, we will be directed to this code, and this code will display on our website. Next.
Category.php. Here we can see what categories are on the web, and this is the same as my previous explanation. And then you can stack it from index.php and copy paste in category.php. So next.
And this look news.php. In the code, we can see a description of the news we want to see.
This code is for developing our About Us and Contact Us page. So when we want to visit a Contact Us page, you can click on Contact Us, and in the database, it will show you the Contact Us page. And directly to get Contact Us page or the About Us. So the About Us is also the same like the Contact Us. Next.
Before I conclude that, I will show the website. So my friend will show the website in the portal. It's a link website in here.
This is the display of our website. So when we like press on the Lihat Berita, we will see what is the isi berita or the title and the category and when it was released. And when we click on category, we will direct it into the category. Yes. So
And
when we click on the contact us, it will direct it into the contact of our team. So there are WhatsApp and Instagram, and this about us is for showing the story and our vision and what is the member roles on this team.
then you can also search for various news categories such as intermediate, news, international, and etc. in this search column. And I will conclude about this presentation. In this presentation, I can conclude that as we follow this dynamic web programming course, we will understand what the web is deeper and learn how to create it even though it is still very simple. And the simple web that we work on to fulfill a big task we can do because of the knowledge we get during lecture but in theory and especially during practicum. In our opinion, this dynamic web programming course is very important, especially for students majoring in information engineering or other computer-related majors, and can be our basis to become a web developer and web designer. So That's all from our presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mm-mm.